Hello, my name is Shasen Hurtado, and today I will be teaching you how to make slime. Making slime is considered a hobby, and hobbies are known to bring many hidden benefits that some or most people don't know about. I started making slime with my 7-year-old niece and haven't stopped making slime ever since. Raise your hand if you guys have ever tried to make slime. Now let me tell you about some benefits that making slime brings. Making slime can help reduce the risk of stress levels, along with reducing the risk of dementia. The article Hobbies to Help Reduce the Risk of Dementia by Dr. Robert M., published in the year 2015 by the Northcliffe newspaper, stated that having a hobby keeps the brain active, reducing mental deterioration with time, and also helps reduce dementia by as much as 73%. Another article, Hobbies and Health by Lizzie Peppercorn, published in the year 2020 by the University of Wire, stated that having a hobby has been proven to help fight depression, since it keeps you occupied and takes your mind off problems. And some people even said that during the quarantine times, hobbies have helped them keep calm, collected, and stay in the house for longer. Now that you know some benefits that making slime brings, let me show you how I make my slime. Making slime is way simpler than it sounds and can be shown with a simple demonstration. So first we're gonna start off with our Elmer's glue. I already poured it in the bowl just to make things a little easier. Let me just try to get that little bit out. The more glue you use, the bigger and denser your slime is going to be, but it also takes more time to make, so keep that in mind. Now we're gonna just add a little bit of water, enough to cover the top. Now that you have your water and glue here, we're gonna give it a mix, and once it kind of forms into just one liquid, we are going to, so this is optional. You can add a food coloring or food gel along with glitter or any type of whatever you want to put in your slime, you can. So I'm gonna add some blue food coloring, a couple drops, and just to make it a little more fun, I am going to add some red in there, and just like that, like a little bit more red. Now that these two are in there, we're gonna give it another mix. The colors don't have to be completely mixed in or together, because we are gonna give it add another solution to it. I made a kind of nice purple. Now we're gonna grab a separate container. You can use a bowl or glass, any container that holds the liquid. We're gonna pour a little bit of water, and then this is what makes the slime come together, like all the ingredients come together, is borax. You can find it anywhere from Walmart, Target, any of those basic stores, or even online. We're gonna pour just a tiny bit, give it a little mix, just so the borax fully dissolves and you don't have any that like salt texture, if it makes sense. We're gonna add a little more water, give it another spin. Now you're gonna grab both your solutions, start adding the borax and water mixture into the glue and water mixture slowly. So we might do half of it. You will immediately start to see the slime form, and you can kind of see it here. The more you need, you can use your hand. Using your hands is messier, but you can use it as well. It makes everything, I guess, funner, more arts and crafts. So you just keep kneading it together till all the water is absorbed. The more water it absorbs, the gooier it's going to get. The less water, it's gonna be more like a Play-Doh sensation, Play-Doh texture when you play with it. Remember, and now you have your very own slime to experiment and play with. To keep it dry, just store it in a plastic baggie as long as you want to keep using it till you make the next one. So in conclusion, today you learned that having a hobby such as making slime can have many hidden benefits, such as reducing stress levels and reducing the risk of dementia. You also learned how to make your very own slime.